let's unbox with me.
Okay.
Today I will unbox the blind bag backpack. Wow, that's kind of special. A Hello Kitty lipstick. Like, share sub love you.
Oh, wow!
What's this? I'm curious what's inside. Hello Kitty's Visa card. So great! 3 bills of Hello Kitty, Melody, and Kuromi.
Wow!
A Hello Kitty iPhone. Miniature house, love you.
Whoa! You are 1N55, 1N60, 1N58. BC.
BC.
A BC.
So cute!
Woo-hoo-hoo!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Study. I like learning English.
Today I will make the Hello Kitty school bus and classroom. Complete the house frame from cardboard and colored paper. I hope you like it. Before class starts, I want to measure the height of the students. So first, we will make the height chart. Draw the giraffe on the cardboard. Cut along the drawing. Make the blackboard. Glue it to the cardboard. This is a box of colo kits. So many colors.
No.
Yes, that's it.
Whoa!
Eraser for the blackboard.
Come here and measure your height. Everyone comes here one by one. You are 152 tall. Go away. You are 1N55, 1N60, 1N58. It's time for class.
We don't have chairs to sit on.
Lisa, help me.
Okay.
Next, we will make the desks and chairs for the students and the teacher. Make the table. Assemble the cardboard pieces to create the table shape.
Good job.
Make the computer. Amazing! Make the student desk. Make the chair. We will unbox the students' school supplies. First is the pencil case. 2 pencils. We will use the pencil to draw.
Wow!
No. Oops! Let's try the eraser to erase and rewrite. Draw Hello Kitty on the paper. I will use colored pencils to color Hello Kitty.
Excellent!
And here is the ruler. Put everything into the pencil case. Amazing!
Aha!
I have an idea to make the pencil case. So cute!
Okay, today I will teach you to read.
BC.
A BC.
So great!
You're welcome.
Make the shelf.
Great!
Make the storage cabinet.
Woohoo! Excellent!
So beautiful! Make a Hello Kitty backpack. Take a piece of clay and thin it. Cut half of the clay. Decorate the eyes, nose, mouth, and whiskers for Hello Kitty.
Great! Woo-hoo-hoo!
Make the picture holder. Make the chair. Cut off the excess fabric.
Whoa! Woo-hoo-hoo! Ta-da!
Make the blackboard.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Great! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Woohoo!
Oh, wow, wee!
Woohoo!
Wonderful. The Hello Kitty school bus and classroom is complete.
I want to learn. Lisa, teach me. I promise to be good and study hard.